Hello everyone. Today I'm recording this video to share with you guys a few useful tricks which are helpful for all sitting for competitive examinations at the very grassroots level. We often find that there is time constraint in competitive examinations and it is often difficult for students to be in par with their peers or the ones who are appearing in the examination with themselves. So I'll be recording short videos. I'll be trying my best to share with you guys whatever knowledge I have regarding the same to make it easy for you guys. So today I'm recording a short video on the topic compound interest, which I guess all of you are familiar with. How to go about fast with the type of questions that are asked on the topic compound interest in competitive examinations. You will find a broad range of competitive examinations that mingle over asking questions of only two types or three types in compound interest. The major variety of questions that are asked is about a sum of money doubling, trebling, or quadrupling over a period of time or over a given rate of interest. We have sums over that. So I'll be discussing about the same in this video. Now let's say you guys already must be aware that in a question it is often asked a sum of money is given and the rate of compound interest is given. You guys are asked to find out the amount of period in which the amount of money will double, it will triple or treble or becomes 4 times, that is quadrupling. Now, who has the time in competitive examinations to actually put the formula of compound interest A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power n and do the question? Obviously, you can go for that. It is going to give you the right answer, but we don't really have the time. As I mentioned, we always have a time constraint in competitive examinations. So you just need to remember 3 numbers while solving the questions. As you can see in the title of the screen that I'm sharing, it is known as the rule of 72, 114 and 144. You have to link 72 in the cases where the sum of money is doubling. You have to remember 114 for the cases in which the sum of money is trebling. And you have to remember 144 for the cases where the sum of money is becoming 4 times or quadrupling. So how do we go about this? So if you see the first question that I have written, it is if you are investing rupees 100, then how much time will it take to double your money? Sorry, there's a spelling mistake out here. So I'm sorry, I'll repeat the question. If you are investing rupees 100, then how much time will it take to double your money if the rate of interest is 6%? Now, obviously, what are you going to do? What is a person at the very grassroots level supposed to do in such type of question? He'll take the principal to be X, and then he'll take the amount to be 2X. He'll equate that and solve the questions as we do in our school level, because we are not aware about all these tricks and all that. But now, since I asked you to remember one number to solve a question which involves doubling of amount, you have to remember 72, and you just need to do one thing. You just divide the rate of interest by 7 from 72. So you have your answer. It's 12 years. This is your answer. You're going to get the same answer while you do it in that equation process. So when we can save on our time, why shouldn't we? It is something which is going to be really beneficial in topics or questions in which we are not aware about special tricks, and there we can take time. But if we have the facility of going ahead with something which is going to save our time in competitive examinations, it is going to be a great blessing for all of us. Now, similarly, if we go to the second question, it involves, I guess, quadrupling of money. Let's read the question. It says, if rupees 250 is invested today, it will become rupees 1000. So 250 into 4 is 1000. So it involves quadrupling. In your mind, you should be remembering the number 144. In 16 years, what will be the compounded rate of interest? So either they ask the rate of interest or they ask the time period in which the amount of money will double or treble or whatever. In the first example, we had the period asked to us, but in this question, we are asked the rate of interest. Here also, you're going to do the same thing. You are going to remember 144 and you're going to divide it by 16. So your answer is 9 years. You either divide by the rate of interest or you either divide it by the time frame which is given. In the first question, the rate of interest was given, so you divided 6 from 72. And the second question, we have the amount of time given, so we divide 144 with 16. Our answer is, sorry, it would be 9%, because here the rate of interest is asked. And similarly, if you read the third question, it involves trebling of money. So if rupees 250 is invested today, it will become rupees 750 in 16 years. So accordingly, you have to remember the number 114 And again, here we have to find the rate of interest. So what you need to do is 114 divided by 16, which would land up to, I guess, 7.12%. So you see how much of time you can do it just within 2 seconds or 3 seconds. And it is going to really save you a lot of time if you do it by the conventional method of equating all the answers, all the very algebraic variables. It is going to take you at least 2-3 minutes, however fast you are in your calculations. So that's it from my side for this video. I hope you guys like the trick and will be implementing it soon in the coming future. And it will be really beneficial for all of you. Thank you very much.